What's up guys, Senjo here. Welcome to my channel Texo Academy. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by to check out our videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real VIP. Thank you so much for coming back again and again to check out the contents here on this channel. So in this channel, I make videos on all things entrepreneurship and make money online. So if any of this interests you, kindly smash that subscribe button just below this video, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when next I post another amazing video just like this one. And just so you know it, in my next video I'm going to be showing you how I make over $150 per client on Google. All right, so it's a test phase, and that video is going to be rolling out in the next 48 hours. So please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss that video, because I can take it down any moment. All right, so having said that, let's quickly dive into what we have for today. So right here, I'm going to be showing you the 4 hacks that I use to get any Udemy course for free. All right, so work with me. I'm going to show you step by step how you can get any kind of Udemy course with these 4 secret hacks. All right, and the very first one on my list here is for you to review the teacher's social media profile. So let me quickly show you how you can do that and how it can help you to get the Udemy course that you desire free of charge or at a minimum price. All right, so let's quickly go down. This is Udemy website, so you can easily search for the course that you want to enroll for. So in this case, let me just say I want to go for, let me check out the categories. Let me say business, for instance, and while that loads up, so I'm just going to pick a random course right here. Okay, let's see this. So I just click on it. So this is the course I want to enroll for, and it's going for 16.99. all right, so I'm just going to go over to the creator's profile. John Nelson is a creator, so I'm just going to click on his profile icon here. So can you see that? So on the right hand side here are his social profiles. So make sure to check out if the creator of the course that you want to enroll for has his socials linked to his Udemy account. All right, so just as you can see here, right on the right hand side of this page, the Josh Nelson has linked all his social handles here, so you can check out his profiles here, his social media handles on Facebook. The reason why you want to do this is because most of these instructors, they post coupon codes on their social media handles. All right, but the thing there is that it lasts for at least 31 days. All right, and it's going to expire, but it's a very good approach. It's a very good hack for you to get the Udemy course that you desire without spending much of your money. All right, so the number 2 hack that I'm going to be sharing with you on this video is for you to go watch my video. All right, let me quickly show you that here. All right, so when you go over to YouTube, and the reason why you want to watch this video is because I shared a very important information on this video, so you must, it's a must watch. All right, so what you just need to do here is type how to download Udemy course for free. All right, so I shared a very important tips in this video. All right, so as you can see, when you scroll down, all right, I used to be the number 2 right here, but right now we are at number 4. all right, so we are still ranking up. So please do well to watch this video. It is the second hack that you need to get. So if you don't find the Udemy course that you want to enroll for right on this video, then you can move over to the 3rd hack, which I'm going to be sharing with you. So make sure to go watch this video right here by Texo Academy. All right, so make sure you watch this video to get the 2nd hack from that video. All right, so the number 3 hack I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is for you to subscribe to the instructor's email list. all right, because most times they send out this free coupon on your emails if you are a subscriber. Let me quickly show you how you can do that. So we're still using Josh Nelson for instance. So we're going to go back to Udemy right now, and we're going to check out Josh Nelson's website. So to subscribe to him, to his email list. All right, so it's going to pop up right now. So we're going to check out his website, and if there's any free stuff that he's offering, all right, probably an ebook or a video training, whatever it is that is a bit, so we can easily enroll for that, and we're going to be listed in his email list, so that we can be able to get these coupon codes direct from him. All right, so let's quickly go down. Let's see, how do we enroll? Is he offering any free stuff? Check out our agency growth book. This is perfect. All right, so this is his bait here, right? The 7-figure agency roadmap. All right, so I can easily go ahead to get this book free of charge from him, and I'll have to give him my email for him to give me this copy. All right, so by so doing, I will enroll into his email list, and by that, he's going to be sending me free stuffs. All right, he's going to be sending me free stuff, and most times they send out bulk emails to promote their Udemy courses. All right, and for you to do that, you have to do some kind of promotional stuffs by giving out the free coupon codes. Okay, so this is another way that you can actually get a free coupon code from any of the instructors that you desire at all. And the last but not the least on my list is you have to request, that's the number 4 hack. You can request for this free coupon code direct from the instructor. So how do you do that? All right, let's quickly go back to Udemy again. Let me quickly show you. This is something that I do before I enroll for any course at all. All right, I take all of these 4 hacks into practice before I enroll for any of these courses. And most times I enroll for my Udemy courses completely free of charge at 0 cost. All right, and if I pay max, and I'm going to be paying like $9, all right, most times $5, all right, using the coupon codes. All right, so go ahead, search for these guys, the instructor to the course that you want to learn, and contact him on social media, either on Facebook or Twitter or YouTube or Instagram, wherever that guy is, wherever the person is most active. All right, like John Nelson is most active on Facebook. All right, so I can go over to Facebook and hit him up. Hey, what's up, guy? I really need to take this course, but I'm low on finance, and I would really love you to give me a kind of coupon code if it is possible. All right, so just put up a nice stuff right there. If you don't know how to do that, ChatGPT is your saver, is your day saver. All right, you can go over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a code message, a code email message, or a code message to send out to an instructor to request for a coupon code, and ChatGPT is going to do right that for you. All right, so these are the 4 hacks. Go ahead and implement it, and let me know in the comment section when you implement this. Let me know in the comment section what the result is like. I would love to hear from you about this. When you test out what I teach in this channel, please do well to give me a feedback. I will really appreciate it. Okay, and if you have any question or whatever you want me to cover in this channel, please drop it in the comment section right below this video, and I'll be glad to attend to that. All right, so until next time, keep winning, and don't forget to subscribe.